We all know the challenges with traditional VPNs. They're slow, they're a maintenance headache, and most importantly, they grant full network access, which is a massive security risk. This is why IT leaders are attempting to shift to Zero Trust Network Access to enforce least privilege security. The biggest hurdle to ZTNA adoption isn't the technology, it's the unknown. How do you find and map every private application users are currently accessing through that old, shadowy VPN tunnel? Doing it manually takes months. This is where Citrix Secure Private Access simplifies the entire process. When initially onboarding a site, you configure a security policy to grant broad network access to the entire subnet for authorized users and devices. Users immediately have the same level of network access they had under the VPN, ensuring business continuity. While users continue to work, Citrix Secure Private Access silently discovers your internal resources based on their activities. This is the intelligence that replaces months of manual effort. This detailed data provides the necessary intelligence to define precise, least privilege policies, allowing you to seamlessly transform from broad network access to granular Zero Trust access. To start enforcing Zero Trust access, you simply onboard the application. Onboarding involves using the gathered data to create a formal application entry and assign a specific access policy. In less than a minute, you can take this intelligence and create a secure least privilege boundary around a critical application without needing to know the port or IP address beforehand. By using Citrix Secure Private Access, your migration to ZTNA becomes fast, accurate, and simple. That's why Citrix is recognized as a ZTNA leader. So stop guessing about which private apps your users need and start securing them with the clarity and control of Citrix.